In this video, I will show you how to change your Apple ID password. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. So the first step we have to do is to open the Settings app on our phone. Once you do, go ahead and select your name to open up your Apple account. That's going to be right here at the top of your screen. After you see this, go ahead and select Sign In and Security. And here will be where you can either add an email or a phone number, and also under Security, you can change your password. So simply go ahead and tap on Change Password. Your phone will ask you for your Face ID or your passcode, and once you do, you can simply type in your new password. And after you create your new password, you can simply go ahead and tap on Continue. Make sure that you create a strong and unique password. Keep in mind that your Apple ID has a lot of private information on you, so just make sure that you're using a very good password for this. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.